How to remove bookmarks from your Chrome browser. Okay, if you sign out your account, and now you want to delete your favorites bookmark from this browser, so you can delete it. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do this. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Let me go on my Chrome browser. Okay, so here you can see this is my Chrome browser, and this is my bookmark, all bookmarks. This is bookmark bar, you can say. I can see my all bookmark here. So if I want to remove this all bookmark from my Chrome browser, so I can easily remove. How I can do this? Just click on this three dot option and go to the bookmarks, and under the bookmarks go to the bookmarks manager. Here you can see the two default folder, which is bookmark and bookmark others. So here under the bookbar, maybe you have created the folders, or you have order, you maybe add the folder or link in the bookmark bar, or you can check the other bookmarks. So how you can remove it? So simple way, you can just right click on it and delete it. If you delete this folder, then the page will so remove. You can also remove from here, delete this, delete like this. You can also delete folder if you want, and you can delete like this. Same way you have to follow with other folders. Just go there and just remove from here. It will be removed. Yeah, there is still have some. So I don't want to remove this, so it will be there because I want this. So that is how you can remove. You can see now I have only two bookmarks, others are removed from my Chrome browser. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.